In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Spinning Planet blog or blogosphere. I'll explain that later. First, let's have a look and see what blogs are. You probably heard about blogs on the internet and from your friends. They're a really good way for you to tell your customers and your friends about politics or about your products, and it's a really good way of driving traffic to your website. One of the problems with blogs, though, is there's lots of free places to set up blogs, such as blogger.com or kiwiblog.co.nz, but you get all this advertising around it, which, if you're like me, I don't really want that. Also, the other problem is that the content is on somebody else's website, so you're unsure if they're actually going to be around in the next 5 years, and it's hard for you to archive that content. One other problem is if you've got multiple staff members, then they have multiple different logins to a different system and you don't have control of it. The difference with the Spinning Planet blogosphere is that you can have it all within your own website. So let's go into the admin area and have a look. And if you scroll down the page, you'll see SP blogosphere. Click on that. And this is just where we configure things. So this is the first screen. We want to display the right hand panel. I'll show you that once we log in. And who's allowed to post? Well, at the moment we're saying just admins of this website are allowed to post. But if you've used E107 before, then you probably know about user classes. So I can actually make it only the main admin or any member of the website can post. But at the moment we're just going to leave it to admins. We want people to be able to comment, so I've ticked that so they can do that. We also want people to be able to rate the blogs, and we also only want 10 blogs per page. Now this is quite a good one. I'm going to tick it. Posts require admin approval. This stops people from putting defamatory comments on your website and stuff like that, and it'll notify them that it has to be approved by the admin first. The avatar, which is your photo, it says that it'll resize it so it's only 75 pixels wide. And here's quite a nice feature. We can ping new posts out to the internet so other people know about it as well. These are the main ones, and when you post your blog, it'll notify these websites. So we click Save That, Settings Saved. Next thing you have to do is set up your categories. So I'll click on categories. You can see I've got a couple here, general and internet marketing. I'm also going to put media anthropology because it's something we talk about. I want everyone to be able to see it, and I'm going to enable that category. Create. Category media anthropology created. And later on, once we see some posts in there, we can go and view the statistics as well. But since I've only just installed this, we can't see anything there at the moment. Okay, so now I want to go and post a blog on our website. It's SP blog is the link, so I'll just go directly there. Normally you put it under somewhere like About Us, as you can see there. And because I'm logged in, I can see this right hand panel which tells me my posts, and I can add a new post. So I'm going to add a new post here, and I'm just going to go and grab some text I prepared earlier. Copy that, paste it into there, and then you can sort of format it to make it look a bit better. And I want to indent that, and I'm going to call this post, firstly I want to put it under media anthropology, and I'll call this post the internet children, and I'll just tidy that up a little bit. And just like E107, you can bold things, and just to make it look a bit prettier, I'll put an image in there. So I'll go Insert Image, go and browse my hard drive, I'll upload one, and I'll go into my Pictures folder, and I'll go, which one is it? internet generation. Open, upload file, then I can go and browse that, and it'll be under I, internet generation. And because we want it to be easily read or understood by the blind and by search engines, we make sure to put in an image description and a title. I want this to be right aligned, so I go back over to here and I go alignment to the right, and so there's my blog, and then I want it visible to everybody, and I go create blog. So it's been created. If I now go back to our About Us and blog, we can see that there's been a new blog posted, The Internet Children. Click on that, and that shows the blog that I just posted. Now the nice thing about this too is that if we go back into our admin area, you can just set up different users such as your staff. I'll just show you our users so you can see what I'm looking at. So there's only a couple in there at the moment, but you can add all your staff in there and give them access to the blog so they can create their own blogs. And that's how easy it is to use the Spinning Planet blogosphere.